Now, a Clarendon man is dead, leaving his family and friends in shock. The man drowned in the parish on Tuesday night. But as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, while he died during the hurricane, it's unlikely his demise will be listed among the growing death toll from Hurricane Melissa.
The police say 63-year-old Winston Kelly's death is being investigated as a case of death by misadventure. According to reports, Mr. Kelly was last seen alive drinking alcoholic beverages at 8:30 p.m. on Tuesday, around the same time Melissa was battering Clarendon and by extension the rest of the country. Hours later on Wednesday, Mr. Kelly's body was fished from the river in Tollgate. His body had no sign of injury, suggesting he met a violent death. It is theorized he drowned after he fell into a gully and was washed away by the flood waters that flowed to the river.
To be true, that hours in this storm there, we still wonder where I come from or where I go that. You understand? But we don't know.
His friends are devastated.
He is a good community person. You know? He's there for any and everybody. No matter the affliction with you and him.
I would say a close associate of mine from years gone by. From the first time I started to represent in politics, Popsy has always been a close supporter. It's unfortunate what took place.
Interestingly, one of Mr. Kelly's most recent pictures was taken at what appeared to be one of his favorite bars. Those who knew him says he liked to have the occasional drink, and they would not be surprised if this had a part in his demise.
As he was in the hospital more than 1-2 times, more than I think about 3 times. And every time he went there, I'm the person who visit him. And that is the same thing. So most likely I thought it's the drinking and might be make a misstep.
Councillor Anthony Davis of the Yorktown Division, in the meantime, says the area around the gully in which Mr. Kelly fell needed some debushing.
A number of persons got flooded out because of it, and it needs to be clean. So hopefully we can address some of the overgrown, some of the gullies, big trees are growing in them. So it state the fact that they need to be clean.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.